Hello, this is an unpacking video for manufacturer number 2254810. This is by Umarex. This is a 90-2 BB. It's a 177 caliber BB gun. And I'm going to open this up so you can get a better look. Here you have your owner's operating manual. Here would be the information on how old they recommend you be able to use the product. This would be your air gun safety rules. Here's information on the CO2 and another pistol you can buy. This would be your no return policy and the registration for your air gun. This would be the bonus rail cover that comes with it. This shoots 21 rounds. It's got a metal slide and it shoots steel BBs. And again, this is the 92 BB. It's a 177 BB gun by Umarex.